Hello, LCC community. This past year has proven to be as challenging as any in recent memory. The difficulties brought on by a global pandemic and the economic hardships and mental health challenges associated with it have made these times even more stressful amidst our continued struggle for racial equity and justice. I am so very proud of the response of our LCC community to these challenges as we continue to learn and grow and support one another in overcoming them. LCC's first virtual choir, comprised of faculty, staff, and student volunteers from across our organization, explores these themes in singing the iconic civil rights anthem, "We Shall Overcome." Our performance stands as a testament to the unity and resilience of the LCC community.
We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall